Welcome back to my shop. A not so funny thing happened when I went to check the power steering fluid level after I found and corrected the slight leak I had under here. I discovered I couldn't pull the dipstick out. Alright, here's the alternator bracket right here, and there is the dipstick and cap to the reservoir for the power steering. Now they say you can unscrew it and tilt it back towards the engine and you can finagle this thing out. But I've tried it every which way from Tuesday and I can't get that dude out anyway. Alright, now we're going to change out that power steering hose before I go ahead and swap it out. Look at this tag. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Alright. So anyway, stay tuned. Let's figure out what's going on with this power steering.